with our Bella Blue line. It's an HSN exclusive that we carry for you, full of style, easy to care for, but I think first and foremost is the way that you're going to feel, the confidence that you're going to have when you step out in a great Bella Blue dress. So again, it's not kind of clingy to your lumps and bumps, but I do highly suggest picking that up in an additional size, or going up a size, I should say. Okay, we brought these in by popular demand. I'm so glad everyone's calling in.
Right.
Bang up job, Skipper. I can almost taste that butterscotch lolly.
What do we have here? A big paper horse? How did you know that this is the present I have always wanted? I will name him Bob.
Your Majesty, that's actually a pinata.
A pin what? Why are you making up words, Maurice? Come, Bob. Let me show you around.
But our candy.
Silly Kinky. I almost forgot the traditional sharing of